Hi viewers, welcome after the holiday of Diwali. You know our subject are the maths. You know in maths proper or main process are the process names are the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. First here we revise the or information about the division. You know or you learned division in third or fourth standard, and the next standard is the fifth standard. Now we revise the division process. You know division process. In division, make the parts of a given number and another number. Suppose the example of the division are, the first example is, the example are easy example 9 divided by 2. Second example here 8 divided by 2, and the third example is the 8 divided by 3. Here we see the examples one by one. You know how to divide, but here the division examples we revise. Here the important division of our lesson, related to the lesson. Here first example is the 9 divided by 2. Here you know in vertical arrangement. Solve the example in standard 4th or 3rd standard. Here 9 divided by 2. 9 is the dividend number and 2 is the divisor. Some pronounce the divisor or some pronounce the division. Here making the parts of the 9 number. Here we know count the table of division number. Here the question are 9 is not in table of the 2. Hence here the smaller number is 8 and 8 number is the in place of in table of the 2 fours are 8. 2 fours are 8. Hence here 8 is the divided. Hence 8 minus or 8 subtracted from the 9. 9 minus 8, 1. Here the remainder 1, and 1 is not divided by the 2. Means 1 is not divisible by the 2. Here we see the words or names of the numbers comes in the division process. Here you know the 9 is the dividend number, 2 is the divisor or divisor number, and 4 is the quotient, and 1 is the remainder. Here in division 9 divided by 2, remainder is the 1. If the complete divide, if a number not divided by the another number, that time we take here decimal point in quotient. Here the decimal point in quotient, in place of the decimal point take here 0. Here the make the number 10. Here now 10 is in the table of 2. 2 5s are 10. Here 10 subtracted from the 10. 0 minus 0, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Here now remainder is the 0 and quotient in the decimal point. Our quotient second number example. Here 8 divided by 2. 8 divided by 2. 8 is the dividend number and 2 is the divisor. Here 8 in the table of 2 means here making the parts of the 8. 2 fours are 8. Here 8 minus 8, 0. Here the quotient is integer means complete. Not in this quotient means 4, not a incomplete means the not a decimal fraction. Here remainder is the 0. Here and third example of division is the 8 divided by 3. 8 divided by 3. 8 are not in the table of 3. Hence, we take here the smaller number than the 8. Here in table of 3, smaller number is the 6. And 6 number is in the table of 3 in place of the second place. Means 3 2s are 6. Here, if the 6 subtracted from the 8, then the remainder 8 minus 6, 2. Remainder is the here 2. If here similarly with the example of first, take a decimal point in question. Here take in question decimal point. In place of the decimal point in remainder, in front of the remainder, here the take 0. Write the 0. Here in remainder is the 20. 20 is not in the table of 3. Means we cannot make the complete parts of the 20 by 3. Here the smaller number than the 20 in the table of 3. Here 3 6 are 18. Hence 18 is in the table of 3 in place of the 6 number. Hence, here 18 subtracted from the 20. Here 18 means the complete parts out of the 20 numbers. Means 20 number is shows the any objects, things. Here 18 subtracted from the 20. 10 minus 8, here 8 cannot subtract from the 0, hence here take a carry. Here the 10 minus 8, 2, carry back. Here the 1 and 1, 2, 2 minus 2, 0. Here the remainder 2. Again 2 is not divisible by the 3. Hence if in quotient in division process decimal point take only one time. Here, if the remainder do not divide by the division number, that time next time take the 0. Here again one time we got 20. 20 is not in the table of 3. Hence here the smaller number is 18 and 18 is the in table of 3, 6th place. Here 3 6 are 18. Here 18 subtracted from the 20. Again we know the subtraction or make the subtraction. Remainder is the 2. In the division of example of 8 divided by 3, here the again and again remainder is the 2. Hence in question here the decimal 6 is repeated again and again. Here we division stop the decimal places 2 or 3. Here 2 places question 2 places decimal fraction quotient. Here quotient is the 2.66. Means in example number 3, 8 divided by 3, quotient is the 2.66 and remainder is the 2. Here the if we make the division, then that time comes the number or the digit is decimal is repeated 666. Here we see or remember on the example, 3 examples, first, second and third. In the 3 examples, you know the division of like as 3 examples. Here our relation in 6th standard or the lesson which learn in after the few minutes or after the periods, our division relation is the like as the second number example. Here what is the difference in second example compared to the first and second? Here in first division, here the division completed means remainder is 0, but quotient is the in decimal fraction. In second number example, here remainder is the 0 and here quotient is the integer, only integer, not a fraction, decimal fraction. If you see the in third number example, here the remainder 2, here the remainder 81, like as the examples, 8 divided by 3, like as the examples, remainder are 81 without the 0 and quotient are the in integer with the decimal fraction. Like as the 3 divisions you solve or learned in previous standard. Here in 6th standard, division are important or think or remember the division like as the 8 divided by 2. How to remember the or use the division like as the in quotient, our concentration of the division in quotient and remainder. What is the important? Here the important two things in division. Our concentration are the quotient and remainder. Our quotient is the only integer. Only integer. And second thing on our concentration to the remainder. Here the remainder 0. You know remainder is 0 like as the division called a complete division. 2 types complete division. Remainder is 0. In first example, remainder is 0 and quotient is integer with the decimal fraction. And second type of the complete division is remainder is the 0 and quotient is the only integer, not a decimal fraction. Here remainder is 0. Remainder is 0. Like as division, our important in related to the lesson. The lesson name is, I can say or I can tell the next period, or first we see the or remember the which division is important is learn the lesson of maths. The lesson here the important like as the division are called a complete division. If the here see on the blackboard, here in this example 8 divided by 2, 8 is completely divided by the 2. Like as the examples here called completely division, and like as the examples here 8 divided by the 2, hence here called the 8 is the divided by 2, hence 2 is the factor of 8. See on the blackboard, 8 by 2, 8 upon 2, 8 divided by 2. Like in examples, means here the question is only integer and remainder is 0. Like as example, in examples 8 divided by 8 complete divided by 8 complete divided by 2. Here important or your concentration of these or like as examples or two numbers. If the make or during the any process, that time the minimum two numbers are required. Here hence 8 is divisible by 2. 2 is the factor of 8. 2 is the factor of 8. Here the words are important for you. The words are divisible and another word are factors or factors. Here the divisible or factor. You can try to understand the divisible and factor words. Which time comes? The time are. If a number completely divisible by the another number, the quotient in division only integer. That time the number is divisible by another number and the division is the factor of dividend number. Means here the only two words, new words. Here the base of this. In example, the two words are new, divisible and factor. Which time the divisible? The remainder is 0. Remainder is 0. And quotient is the only integer. Only integer. That time the dividend number is the divisible. Here in this example 8 divided by 2, 8 is the divisible. 8 is the divisible. And here related to 8 divided by 2, 2 is the factor of 8. Factor of 8. Here 8 is the divisible and 2 is the factor of 8. 8 is divisible by 2 and 2 is the factor of 8. Here we can see or we can find the factor of 8 another. If you observe carefully, the factor of 8 is the another is 4, and if you carefully observe the and 8 is the factor of 8 and another one. The rule, or we can say the important sentence, 1 is the factor of all numbers without 0. Here means the factors of 8. Now we see the factors. Factors of 8. Here the factors of 8 is the 1 is the factor of all numbers without 0. Means first factor is the 1. Second factor is the, we can here solve the actual using the division. 2 is the factor of 8 and another one is the 4 is the factor of 8 and itself number is the factor of every number without the 0. Means here itself, here the number, dividend number is 8. Means here itself is the 8. Means here we can say the factors of 8 is the 1, 2, 4 and 8. Here, how do I identify the factors of a number or any number, a certain number? Here, one easy method. Easy method is the factors of numbers is the number comes in the table of in another numbers. Means 8 is the in table of 1, 2, 4 and 8. Like as the all factors of the number. Easier way how to identify the factors of a number. A certain number is in which tables, in many tables, a number are in many tables, then the tables, all tables are the factors of number. Means 1, 2, 4 and 8 is the factors. Here the, again one time repeat the 8 is the, in this division or factors or divisible, 8 is the divisible number, means dividend number. Means 8 is the dividend, means 8 is the divisible by 2, 1 and 4. All these are the factors. You using the previous standards knowledge and find the sum or write the sum numbers of the factors. Here your homework is question are the right factors of following numbers. Here write the factors of the all numbers. The numbers are like as E. The number are 9. Write the factors of 9. Then second is the 12. Write the factors of 12. Third is the 51. Fourth is the 7. Fifth number is the 16. Sixth number is the 25. Seventh number is the 29. Eighth number, example of number is the 35. 9 number is the 99. 10 and 10 number is the 105. Write the factors of all numbers. You can write the factors.